Greetings and welcome to another video. Today we will be talking about Neville Goddard in 5 minutes. So, in this video we will be talking about Neville Goddard and a summary of his teachings, the law of assumption and the purpose of imagination. And don't forget, if you enjoy this kind of content, feel free to subscribe. Now let's start. Now, for those of you who don't know who Neville Goddard is, he was a spiritual teacher, author and mystic born in Barbados with radical ideas on explanation of scripture. His radical teachings can be summed up with this phrase: your imagination is God. So what Neville taught is that your imagination is God and that everything in your life is created solely by you via the use of your imagination. Everything that you experience within your life, either positive or negative, has been generated by you, your inner thoughts, emotions and mental pictures, since you are the only creator. He believed that there is no external God and that the individual is God in flesh. You are the God dressed in flesh, literally. Anything in the external world is generated by your thoughts, emotions and mental images, because your imagination has the creative power to manifest and change your life in every aspect of it, and bring you closer to your every desire. You shape your reality and your external world by creating images in your mind's eye. Everything externalized is self-created. You can bring love, money, health, and everything you wish with the power of imagination, thoughts, and emotions. So when it comes to the law of assumption, the external world that falls before your eyes is generated by your assumptions when you look at it. And the only way to change your world is by changing your assumptions with the power of imagination and by feeling that your desire is already fulfilled. Regarding scripture, he believed that whenever the word God or Christ is mentioned within the Bible, this is just a representation of your imagination, and that scripture is not a historical book. It does not hold historical value. It just represents a journey of your psyche from the moment of awakening until you realize that you are God. Christ is a symbol of your own psyche, beginning the journey of awareness to realize your divinity. And that was the end of our video. Don't forget, if you enjoyed it, you can always leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Now stay tuned for the next one.